Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are discussing 10 shortcut tricks that can be done in 10 seconds. So let's see how it is done. So the first trick is to find the square of the numbers from 91 to 99. So we have to find the square of 91. So first we have to find the difference of 91 from 100, which is 100 minus 91, which is 9. Then this difference 9 has to be subtracted from the number 91. So 91 minus 9 is 82, which is the first two digit of the result. And for the last two digit of the result, we have to square the difference. The difference here is 9. So 9 times 9 is 81. Now we need to combine the two parts. So the first part is 82, second part is 81, and the complete answer is 8281. Next, 94 squared. So first we are finding the difference of 94 from 100, which is 100 minus 94, 6. Then we need to subtract this 6 from 94, which is 88. Okay, and then for the other part, we need to square the square 6, which is 36. And by combining, the complete answer is 8836. One more example, 98 squared. So first 100 minus 98, which is 2. Then we need to subtract this 2 from 98, which is 96. And in the second part, we need to square 2, which is 4. And by combining, we have to write 9604. The important point is that for the second part, we have to write it in the form of 2 digit. So here, 2 times 2 is 4, but we have to write 04, not 4. This we have to keep in our mind. Okay. Now, the second trick is to find the square of the numbers from 101 to 109. The same technique will be used here. So, suppose 103. So, first we need to subtract 100 from 103. That is equals to 3. That 3 will be added to 103. So, 103 plus 3 is 106, which is the first three digit of the result. And for the remaining part, we have to square 3. So 3 times 3 is 9. And then we have to combine it, and the complete answer is 10609. Okay. So next example is 107. So first we are finding 107 minus 100, or the difference of 107 from 100, which is 7. So we need not to do this step separately. Directly by looking at 107, we can get that 107 is actually what? 100 plus 7. So the difference part is 7 here. Then we have to add the 7 to 107, which is equals to 114. Okay, and then we have to square 7, which is 49, and we have to combine and write the answer as 11449. Now 109, so directly 109 means 100 plus 9. So directly we have to add 9 over here. So 109 plus 9 is 118. That is the first three digits, and for the last two digits we have to square 9, which is 81. And when we are combining, the complete answer is 11881. Now, here we are finding the squares of the number from 41 to 49. So here, 41 square, here we have to take 50 as a reference. As a reference means when we are finding the square of the numbers from 91 to 99 and 101 to 109, we are taking 100 as a reference. So here we have to take 50. Now, first step is same. We have to find 50 minus 41. That is a difference, which is 9. But here, one more thing is that we have to subtract this difference from the number 25. Okay. So this is, in this case, we have to subtract from 25. So 25 minus 9 is 16. That is the first two digit of my result. And for the last two digits, same, which is 9 times 9, which is 81. And by combining, the complete answer is 1681. Okay. Now 46. See how to proceed it. First, we have to find that 46 is actually what? 50 minus 4. Okay. So that 4 is the difference that we need to subtract from the number 25. Okay. So here we have to subtract this number from 25. So 25 minus 4 is 21. And for the other part, 4 times 4 is 16. And by combining, the complete answer would be 2116. Now 48. So 48 is actually 50 minus 2, or 50 minus 48 is 2. So that 2 will be subtracted from the number 25, which is 23. And for the second part, it's 2 times 2, which is 4, but we have to write it in the form of 2 digits. So 4 will be written as 0, 4. And the complete answer is 2304. Now, we are finding the square of the numbers from 51 to 59. So here, 51, same thing. First, we are finding 51 minus 50, which is equals to 1. Then this 1 will be added to 25. In the last example, it was subtracted because the numbers were less than 50. Here, the numbers are greater than 50. That is 26. And for the second part, we are multiplying the number 1, which was a difference. Now, 1 times 1 is 1, but we have to write 0, 1, and the complete answer would be 2601. Okay. Now for 56, first we are finding 56 minus 50 is equals to 6, or actually we can say that 56 is what? 50 plus 6. So we have to add 6 to 25. Okay. Now 25 plus 6 is 31. Then we have to multiply 6 by 6, which is 36, and the complete answer is 3136. 58. So 58 is actually what? 50 plus 8. So that 8 need to be added to 25. So 25 plus 8 is 33, and 8 times 8 is 64, and by combining we get 3364 as our answer. In this technique, we are multiplying 3-digit numbers by another 3-digit numbers, but those numbers are close to 100. So first example is 101 times 106. So how we have to do is, we have to write first number as it is, which is 101. And then we need to add 6. 6 means that part of the second number, which is 107. Now, what we need to do is, now 101 is actually what? 100 plus 1. So we have to write 1 here, and 106 is 100 plus 6. So we have to write 6 here. So 1 times 6 is 6. But we have to write it in the form of 2-digit number, which is 06. And then we have to combine the two parts, and the complete answer is 10706. Okay, so second example is 102 times 109. So first step is 102 plus 9. Okay, so which is 111. That's clear. Now for the second part, we have to multiply 2 by 9. Okay, 2 by 9 is 18. This is already a 2-digit number. So just we need to combine the parts. So 11118 is the complete answer. Next, 113 times 108. So 113 plus 8 is 121. That is the first part. For the second part, we have to multiply 13 and 8. Why 13 and 8? Because this is 113, which is 100 plus 13. And 108 means 100 plus 8. Okay. So 13 and 8 will be multiplied, which is 104. Now, the logic, now it should be a 2-digit number as a rule says, but it's a 3-digit number, so this 1 will be added to 121. Okay, so this becomes 122, and 4 we can write as it is, and by combining the complete answer is 12204. Okay, now 112 times 116. So 112 plus 16 is 128. That is the first part. And for the second part, we have to multiply 12 and 16, which is 192. It's a 3-digit number. So this one will be added to 128 so that it becomes 129, and 92 is written as it is. And the complete answer is 12992. Okay. Sorry, this trick can also be applied for the numbers like 135 times 142, but in that case the calculation will be more, because in that case we have to multiply 35 by 42, and then it becomes lengthy. So then it will be not be a shortcut, and then it cannot be solved in a 10 seconds. So here we are discussing only the tricks that can be done in 10 seconds. Okay, let's proceed further. Now, in this technique, we are multiplying the numbers which are less than 100, and both the numbers are 2-digit numbers, and less than and close to 100. Okay, like 91 times 96. So here, what is this minus 9 and what is this minus 4? So actually we need to find the difference of 91 and 96 from 100. So 90, if I'll subtract 9 from 100, I'll get 91. And if I'll subtract 4 from 100, I'll get 96. So these are the terms that I have written here. Now, if I can do both ways. That means if I'll subtract 4 from 91 or 9 from 96, the result is 87. That is the first part. So either of them we can do is. So 91 minus 4 is 87. For the second part, we have to multiply these two differences. So minus 9 times minus 4 is 36. Okay. And then we have to combine both, which is 8736. Okay. I hope it is clear. Okay, now 92 times 94. So first I'm writing minus 8 because the difference of 92 from 100 is minus 8. Minus 8, why? That means when we'll subtract, I'm saying subtract 8 from 100, we get 92. So we subtract, that's why we have to write minus 8. And for 94, when we will subtract 6 from 100, we'll get 94. So just we need to find this difference, and then this is a cross thing. What is a cross thing? That's 92 minus 6 or 94 minus 8 is 86, which is the first part. And for the second part, we have to multiply these two, which is equals to 48. And the complete answer is 8648. Okay. Next example. Here, one number is 93 and I'm taking another number as 87. Okay. Now, let's see. Now, this difference is minus 7. Why? When we'll subtract 7 from 100, we'll get 93. And when we'll subtract 13 from 100, we'll get 87. So 93 minus 13 is 80, or 87 minus 7 is 80. Anyway, we can do that. Now we have to multiply the difference part, which is equals to 91. Now here it's a 2-digit number, just we need to combine it. Clear? Now 94 times 82, so this difference is minus 6. Why? Now we know that. And for 82 it's minus 18, because when we will subtract 18 from 100, we'll get 82. Now 94 minus 18 or 82 minus 6 is 76. Okay. For the second part, we have to multiply. Minus 6 times minus 18 is 108. This time it's a 3-digit number, so this 1 will be added to 76 so that it becomes 77, and 8 will be written as it is, and the complete answer is 7708. Now in this trick, we are multiplying 3-digit numbers by 11. Okay, like 613 times 11. Now it's a 3-digit number, so there will be 4 steps here. Now first step, we'll be starting from the right hand side. The last digit of the number will be written here, which is 3. Then we have to add 3 and 1. Now 3 plus 1 is, we have written here 4. Then we have to add 6 and 1, which is 7, right? And then we have to write the first number as it is, 6. Okay, so 6743 is our result. Next example, 532 times 11. So 2 will be written here. For the next part, 3 plus 2, which is equals to 5. Then we have to add 3 and 5, which is equals to 8. And then we have to write 5 as it is. And the complete answer is 5852. 357 times 11. So 7 is written as it is. Then we have to add 5 and 7, which is equals to 12. So I have written 12 here. Then we have to add 5 and 3, which is equals to 8. So 8 will be written here, and then we have to write 3. Okay. So the reason we are calculating from the right hand side is that we might get a number which is a 2-digit number, and then there will be a carry. So it's then that's the reason we have to start from right hand side. So here it's a 2-digit number. So just we need to add this 1 to 8 so that it becomes 9. So 3, 9 and 2, 7 will be the complete result. Now we are finding the square of the numbers which are close to 1000. So same, it will be done same as we have done in the case of 100. But here, let's see, 1003 squares. So 1003, we need to add this 3 to 1003. Okay, so 1003 plus 3 is what? 1006. And then we need to square this 3, which is equals to 9. Now the difference part comes here. What is the difference here? Now 1000 has 3 zeros, so this part should be a 3-digit number. Okay. Now 9 is a single digit, so we have to write 009 here. And the complete answer is 1006009. Okay. Second, 1007. So 1007 plus 7. Why we are doing it? I'll tell you. Because 1007 is 1000 plus 7. Okay. Now that 7 will be added to 1007. So that is equals to 1014. Okay. Now for the second part, 7 times 7 is 49, but it should be a 3-digit number. So we have to write 49 as 049. And we have to combine it, and the complete answer is 1014049. 1019 square, so 1019 plus 19 is 1038, and for the second part 19 times 19 is 381. It's a 3-digit number, so no harm, just we need to combine the two parts, and the complete answer is 1038381. 1017. So 1017 plus 17 is 1034. And for the second part, 17 times 17 is equals to 289. We are expected that we should know the squares of the numbers from 1 to 30 at least. So we can directly write here, and then we have to combine it, that 1034289 is the complete answer. Now here we are finding the square of the numbers which are less than 1000 and close to 1000, like 993. Now same approach will be used here. So 993 is actually 1000 minus 7. Okay, so we need to subtract 7 from 993. So 993 minus 7 is 986, which is the first part. And for the second part, we have to square the difference. So 7 square or minus 7 square is 49. It should be written in the form of 3 digits. So we have to rewrite as 049, and the complete answer is 986049. Okay. Second example, 997 square. So 997 is 1000 minus 3. So that means the difference is 3. So we need to subtract 3 from 997, which is 994. Sorry. And then we have to square minus 3, which is 9. But we have to write 9 as 009 in the form of 3 digits, and 994, and the complete answer is 994009. Now 989 is 1000 minus 11, so that we need to subtract 11 from 989, which is 978. And for the second part, minus 11 times minus 11, which is 121. It is already a 3-digit number, so just we need to combine the parts, and the complete answer is 978121. Now, in this technique, we are multiplying those numbers which are ending with 5, like 15 times 45. Okay. The first step is that we need to multiply the first digit of both the numbers, or those digits of the number which are other than 5. So that means we have to multiply 1 and 4, which is 4. Then we need to add these digits, 1 plus 4, which is 5. Now, if this number is an odd number, then last 2 digits is 75. And if this number is an even number, then last 2 digits is 25. Okay, this is the rule. Now we have to divide this by 2. So when we divide this by 2, the number is 2.5, but we have to write only only 2 here. We have to just eliminate the decimal. So 2 will be written here. Now we have to add 4 and 2. 4 was what? Which we have obtained by multiplying the numbers, and 2 is 1, which we have obtained by adding and dividing by 2. Now 4 plus 2 is 6. That is the first part, and the second part is 75. Why? Because the sum of the digits was coming in odd number. Okay. So the complete answer is 675. Now second is 75 times 95. So first we need to multiply 7 and 9, which is 63. Okay. Then we have to add 7 plus 9, which is 16. It is an even number, so last 2 digits is 25. Okay, that we can write now. Then we need to divide by 2, so which is 8. So that 8 will be added to 63. 63 plus 8 is 71. So the complete answer is 7125. Now 115 times 45. So first 11 times 4. Okay, why 11 we are taking here? Because it's a 3-digit number. So we have to take all the digits other than 5. So other than 5 it is 11. So 11 times 4 is 44. Then we need to add the digits, which is 15. It's an odd number, so the last 2 digits are coming as 75. Then 15 by 2 is 7. So this 7 needs to be added to the multiplication part. So 44 plus 7 is 51, and the complete answer is 5175. Now 125 times 165. Now 12 times 16 is 192. Okay. And for the second part, it is 12 plus 16, which is 28. It's an even number, so the last 2 digits is 25. Now we need to divide it by 2. So 28 by 2 is 14. This 14 will be added to 192, which is 206, and the complete answer is 20625. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye. Take care.